Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Many types of wheat milling machines, including small and multi-story flour milling plants.
Every wheat flour miller in Nigeria joins millers for nutrition.
Analysis of present status of oil seeds in Bangladesh.
Exports of palm oil and related products reached RM 99.3B for Jan-Nov period.
UK politicians hosted at egg farms to showcase the poultry sector.
Pakistan government will ensure uninterrupted rice sector operations, REAP assures.
Palm oil prices to rise further in 2025 amid supply concerns, says Mark Ratings.
Seminar, Exhibition Fair of Agricultural Machinery held at BRUR.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
40 Agri Next Asia 2025 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.